Yen chamuni mama kwa basho. Yen chamuni mama kwa basho kombra Badwam Ahosepe dwumadi so world of entertainment. The fata oni no tumu no ye de bi esomo wo ha say me amedi dwumadi ho chia me medical catch was say my graduated from Gaius Richmond Nsoromma. Say no me Gaius achipalago besie. Macha guy me neck. Me mum de macha guy. Say me guy me no 2 times a guy. Me need the Sandra or him me mo akwaba. Na still on me mano updates about them life after Nsoromma, what they've been up to. Omo project eba bani ade, people helping them. Omo na put you on because it's very necessary say you be shine on because yes Nsoromma ye share me boa. Enti near the season 8 no. Ba boa for time e more Richmond we show me producer, the most wanted producer ever. Say the guy no no a friend OPD. My men describe we na one bro ekoko ni hedu ho afeye pa o social so OPD underscore. Share no TikTok ni Instagram. Mark Weber I'm a director. Paul Loa a sound engineer MC Chamigo Miss Baden echimani mama na ba inside her. Cold room guys say na fidie na chia omo hu nim dia o Nsoromma omo de bo mechi do man kama me friend no aka Galamsey adwuma bia we bi orewrem ni ade e na masa edi omo nyina bo mechi Adom ene yenko Nsoromma nkola hwan na no abesra mi mia me ba Nsoromma season 7 finalist se maka cha mo se nkola ne de ya mo mesra me nyese ewie show na mo mo krom sa mo mra mo nsra mo ma me gaga na mafemo and a little angel. And aba my studio has say, baby girl, what to saying? I saw you we obu. Was so say oh roa what on battery. My friend, what to saying? Hey, you from my house on your G and you. More share, I could let you tell you battery. Or so rude to one more best wash. There's a little enjoy there, auntie. I miss you. Bibi aboko. Let's enjoy one casaka say I'm a chicken. One casaka say I'm a chicken. So wow, mammy, they me discipline come online. Boom, mammy, what's it? After Nsoromma, about to say school combining with talent, at saying.
But yeah, weekends, because studio, okay. Short recordings.
Oh, okay. It's that recordings, like I was saying.
But
okay. And exposure now, Adom TV, the man on Nsoromma show, no so no. Who you soon ye, yeah, unyanya events kakra.
Pacha.
Sir? And our manager no ha say, nipa or manage little angel. Ain't surprised so you couldn't hear. A crown born homodin or Nsoromma so aside ne mammy. Our tiny chino, ni teacher. Our trainer deal with school. Can you imagine? Oh, Paul, your monse must say. I love it when teachers go the extra mile. Oh, Paul Buma teacher. That's right. I like it when teachers go the extra mile. Aside teaching in Kwalano, omu yi o makumem say obi wo me class or talent obono modern. In fact, ye fan sembo enhia J Zion, a little angel teacher. Yo, come here, sir. Come here. That's right. Let's mommy. Wow. And then the yellow. Yes, famu. Oh, I'm about to say. Baby girl, pretty back.
Yeah, Adom.
Wow.
Yeah, okay.
Before I ever o Jenny Nesono.
Okay.
Maybe our class.
Yeah.
And time and I'll discover say or you're good in singing.
Yeah, so every time we are our program, we have planned for the term.
Okay.
And so ma akonya for students who can dance, who can sing.
All right.
Anything we do, pick an act and all of that to figure out the talent of the students. Yeah, and as we were told, I was like, ooh, I didn't know. And then naturally, she's a quiet type, like our class.
Okay.
So hearing her sing, I was like, yeah, there's something in there we need to put in check.
Oh.
Yes.
Oh, you're a quiet type. You know, bench my dear, but church me. I could let one more bet you. I bet you I say. I'm saying
I think or EP as and when.
Okay.
But naturally, on your too loud.
But say field now all around. I was say it's me a kind of shake a crack.
Very important.
So I mean, we'll be ready for the industry.
Exactly.
Yes, and the but at least the boldness and the confidence.
Yes.
I trust you on that. Now, J Zion. Obonyum.
Yeah.
Oh, you're a rapper. And I was a general way.
Yeah, Afrofusion. More of a Afrobeat rap.
It's now we share Jack, you know, because also saw your Afrofusion, sir. Oh, yeah, about Jenny, no. How has it been for you, Jenny? No, it's the same.
Yeah, very experiencing and more of a, you know, the whole thing is that me son, I discovered is a part of me that a bit of attention anytime I'm trying to do it.
Wow.
Auntie, and me pay attention to what exactly it is that I said, no, yeah, everybody like me, everybody like you. This guy, you know, auntie, that was where I figured I have something in me, but not meaning what I had. Yes.
You ever saw with combining music with teaching? My mom was school a couple of times. They were had done calling a guy. I remember I was trying to pay with TV so. Yamin Shaw. When Colano was some good relationship there. A man calling best school can know many agents.
Exactly.
God bless you so much. Just a man best school it's me that because you need say you've got them. Who school needing quite the
Delight International School.
Headmaster, big shout outs to him.
Yeah.
And also supported talent. One what you organize show now Colano just say Munji Fridays. A friend say
Abraham.
God bless you, sir. God bless you. Yeah, okay. Or you be a friend no pain. J Zion your friend of Shannon so. Now yen shenyum by we discuss about music and teaching. J Zion and a little enjoy guest. Yabasisia. And then Wednesday, we are not 2 times a guy and then 2 times a guy. Wow. It's dope.
Yeah, thank you.
Tell me I don't tell me about no because who teacher needs say as I say implement additional knowledge woman. I mean you good though.
Yeah, thank you.
Then you turn how far do you want to take it?
I think to God, I see it as a calling, and he is going to be it's going to go far.
Now, we are teaching, you know, at the same time because we try the Monday to Friday.
Yeah, so you know, one thing about the music is I focus more on the message. Yes, so as and when you get the message, how much and a crowd to me sorry.
No outro.
Sometimes you can send the vocal to your, you know, the engineer that this is something you want to do. You get a sample of it. Now I send you man. Into a bit my beat.
I what's I am calling news.
Yes,
but what subject being?
Me the English language.
International prof, you will receive this one of me. Wow. Okay.
Yeah, English language and that of religious and moral education.
Hey. Yes, my medicine.
Because
yes, my medicine.
Mary.
Or Papa the same.
Joseph.
You know he. You want to sue him.
Who are Jordan?
Yeah, religious. You watch it. Baby girl. Said you go studio Saturdays. Studio. What do you pick as a musician? Then again, I say, hey, say music in where you may.
When I see the studio.
What if it's now for 7? I don't see this near was away. Kachin, what my home told with a good square one cabrofo. Why? By any language I am comfortable, just speaking at this.
When I see the studio work, then I feel like me that I'm doing the studio work.
Hey, I also want to PF and video no recording. She comes from a family of talent.
Yeah.
Her mother used to dance with Slim Bastamo. I don't know, so we name my background.
Yeah.
Then my man is Slim Bastamo. Papa the same. Mere Fino. One legend, na sasa. And an sister say a TikToker, serious TikToker dancer. What's that reference? Dia. So it's not surprising, say, what this talent. It is say, the best one, sir. Now the way not to so. I know it's not easy teaching. Wow, promoting. Now say promoting me, baby. Say, you bet if you can see so now, yadawasi. Me asra what the amount saying, I'm more not to us so sad. But you're social. Big shout out to where you cinematographer, where you are.
Yeah, bless.
Oh, one so come on. It's okay, show being a shot to nephew show. All
right, so big shout out to you, Nsoromma. Thanks for the support. I appreciate the genuine love, Charlie. You're a true brother. God bless you.
Nsoromma, God bless you because never got on a neighbor. And then you were like, no, friends like this.
Yes.
Friends like Nsoromma. God bless you, Nsoromma. Oh boy, do you mind now sound engineer so the same?
Yeah, friend Psych Tunes. Psych Tunes, a great production. I also want to express gratitude to Evidence.
Okay.
On shoot to music video.
Oh, nice, that's nice.
Yeah, so he's done so well. And then director, manager Kamasa.
Okay.
So I had a hard time and he came in to put me back on when it comes to the music. Yes, so my social media platforms, you know. On Facebook is J Zion, Instagram J Zion Official, and of course YouTube. Go and subscribe to the channels. Back-to-back productions are happening. Yes, and J Zion _GH, J Zion _GH, and Twitter at I am J Zion. Back-to-back. Now, I can say this time with the EP, but my first time.
Nice.
Yes, you know, life, you know, it comes with a whole lot of lessons, and I believe that music is one of the channels that you can share your experiences to people. You can also advise them through the melody, the sound. You know, yes, and so I have this EP coming up. I'm hoping September, October. Matuni this far. Okay. Also, we all who say we do Pempensobia. I am now originally say so whatever I went through, whatever I felt, whatever happened, I put into melody of about 6-7 songs. That this far and you know the omunsheni is going to be it's great.
When you was on it's time next one. This is home.
Sure.
So also your baby mudi. You be up on a anytime, just knock on it. Baby girl, what your mama, what your phobia na or message we have fetched to an sorry so.
Hello Ghana for.
When you're sure, hello Ghana for. Kasa or for.
With a little angel, when I made by Nsoromma season 7. Now we do grand finale.
That's right.
The confirm vote mammy na nyami shram.
Amen.
Amen.
Amen. Amen. Maybe they say I was some so do rough, so we didn't come up. J Zion, little, thank you for coming. Maybe school Maybe na. Yeah, sorry, swa. Mami jam a little angel video. Me sure someone fan performer. Harambe to mami.
You what I say, Harambe.
Cho. That was my all-time favorite performance of you. So you say no, so you dope performance, man.
Yes.
I mean, fine show. Tiabusia J Zion and a little angel. Yeah, me guest. We show way back. Kofon sama bedi ha. You be coming in. Me best is here. Me sounds more akwa baby ma Badwam Ahosepe dwumadi so ya na ye advocate say ye be feature Ghanaian creatives or BC mu because we say West Africa for in exams e be ye fe say ye be hu Ghana ni bibi e wo bands na no meeting abo e hair logistics GH on say aside works are omoye no utimi kwatena se na ya nwene uti na ma wo ene wanwene me ye na mse me bo meti ache ba be nden and a hair logistics about wo hacho Malcolm Dinage nye your akwan bo hair logistics GH e share Google map e do be ko ho for bomidin kwan nga discount or more social media na so mo say ways ko radio pe bia na select odie ewom